Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to have another holiday card today for This Calls for Confetti. And I always love guest designing for This Calls for Confetti. Lisa and the whole team is just so super nice. And so I'm getting some purple foil out and I'm using my scissors, but I think I'm going to start using a rotary trimmer because that's what the team uses. So um, I'll do that next time. So I have my Heidi Swap Mink foil machine out and I have my copy paper, and look how pretty those ornaments are. And this is from Deck the Halls. It's a bundle. You get dies and there's stencils also, but I'm going to use the dies today. And I just love these pretty purple ornaments. And you can cut out the toppers separately. You can cut it all together. So there is the topper and the little piece there. I kind of personally like it all cut out all at once, like a whole big die that cuts out everything like that. So that's my preference. But let me see. I did use them both ways. And looking at my card, actually they look kind of nice. And this pink here is pink melon foil. And this this gold foil is actually yellow foil from Simon Says Stamp. So I think it's really pretty. It looks like gold to me, and I love these card fronts because they look like confetti. Or I just love that decoration on there. You get lots in the pack, and I will link that link This Calls for Confetti down below. And I decided to use my markers and color in this candy cane heart. So I thought that was a fun way to be a little different and just, I don't know, kind of, make it your own. And that way when I send this out, it'll feel more homemade by me and I like it. So here's another option for you to try. I'm also going to use some purple markers as well. These are Copic markers, and so you can color on these card fronts. And so it's the Deck the Halls, and like I said, it's a whole set, so it's really, really nice. Okay, so they call them foil and blend sheets. And it's so nice that you get these foil and blend toner sheets. So I like that you can do different things with them. You can foil them, you can ink blend them, you can color on them. So it's so much fun. And then you get the dies too. So there's so much good stuff at This Calls for Confetti, and I know they have a new release coming out, so make sure and check out their lives. They're really fun on Thursdays. I'm gonna have to miss this Thursday, but I'm gonna try and catch the replay. So I colored all of these, or actually, here's my purple marker. And I'm not sure which one I use. Or actually, I'm using a Hoo markers, not Copics. I just seen that right now. And so just coloring them in simply. No two markers here or three, just one marker. And I wanted it really light, and I just love the way it looks. And this is going to be a flat A2 Christmas card, and I think I'm going to be doing some flat cards unless I'm handing them out personally, because just the postage wise. And so I'm gluing these to those toppers that are already on this blend, foil and blend sheet. I have to get used to saying that. And so just finishing up coloring this ornament, and this card is pretty much done, and I still have extras left over so I can make another card. So I like that, and looking, I think I have more than those two there, so that's awesome. I recently just purchased some Christmas products. This calls for confetti, so I love Christmas cards. I do Christmas all year round, so I am just going to glue this to my A2 card base, 4¼ by 5½, and that completes this card. I'm also going to add a sentiment that I have from this calls from for confetti. It's a birthday. It was a foil sentiment set, and I will link that below for you too. So here it is, and I used a different gold foil, I believe, because the one on these ornaments is yellow. And there we go. So just a close-up here, and thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.